If you are craving something colorful, protein-packed and made with real ingredients, this fuel your glow. This is the bowl you need today. Let's make this chickpea quinoa edamame bowl with lemon tahini dressing. Start by rinsing half cup of whole wheat quinoa in a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water, 1 pinch of salt, add drizzle of olive oil, bring it to boil, then lower the heat, cover for 15 minutes until fluffy. Next, boil your edamame for 5 minutes in salt. Now in the skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, add half chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, saute until fragrant, add 1 cup of canned chickpeas, rinse and drain, season with ground cumin powder, chipotle red pepper powder, black pepper, salt as per your taste, sumac seasoning. Add a squeeze of a fresh lemon juice. Let this cover down for 5 minutes until golden and flavorful. And don't forget the cilantro on top. Fluff the quinoa with a fork. If it's soft and no water's left, you're good to go. Now for the dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons of tahini paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt and a splash of olive oil. Add water slowly until it becomes silky and pourable. This is your creamy magic. Now layer your bowl. Start with the quinoa base, spoon over your warm spiced chickpeas, then edamame. Add your favorite toppings. Think cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumber, radish slices, or even microgreens. Drizzle generously with that lemon tahini sauce, feta cheese, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds. You can take any toppings you want. I also used avocado for that extra creaminess and more fiber. Every bite is creamy, crunchy, lemony, and deeply nourishing. This bowl is a naturally vegan, gluten-free, and anti-inflammatory. If this bowl made your mouth water, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Soulful Kitchen for more healing, high-vibe recipe every week. See you next time. Thank you.